Hello and welcome to the tutorial on making a voice sound like Smaug the Dragon from The Hobbit. And this scene is taken from, if you can hear this, where Smaug meets Bilbo Baggins for the first time. So what I'm going to do to start with is select the whole file, go to Effect, then go to Compressor, and you'll see this line. Just click OK, take the defaults, just click OK, and that smooths out the highs and lows in a sound file. I then want to try and get rid of some of the background hum, which sounds like this. You can just hear it. So select a bit of the file which is like that, go to Effect and Noise Reduction, click on Get Noise Profile, and then select the whole file, just like I have done there. Go back to Effect and Noise Reduction, and make sure the number here is at least 12. I'm going to set it to 16, as you can see, and click OK. And now what that does is it makes the file look clearer, so my voice is clearer. Yes?
Wow. See?
That hum in the background has gone. So now what I need to do is again highlight the whole file, go to Effect, change pitch. This is really important. What you need to do is make sure this slider here at the bottom is set to about 30 or 32%. Somewhere around 30 is fine. Okay, so minus 30 that is. Click OK, and you can see when you press play now what's happened to the voice.
Wow.
Gone a lot deeper because you've reduced the pitch. Again, go back to select the file. This time what we're going to do is make it sound like Smaug is in a big cavern under the mountain. So we're going to put some reverb on, so we go to Effect and Reverb, and these settings are quite important. So we want the room size set to 35, pre-delay 0, reverberance set to 55, damping is 99, that should be set to 50, tone high set to 100, -1, -1 and 70. Click OK, and you can see when you play now there's a bit of an echoey type effect there.
Wow.
Okay, so it sounds like in a bigger room. So again, this time the last effect is select the file, go to Effect, this time bass and treble, change the bass to a setting of 15 and stick the treble at 1.8. The output volume is 0.0. Click Apply and close that. And now when we press play, this is what we've got.
Wow. I smell you. I hear your breath. I feel your air.
And that is a transformed file from the beginning. And that's how you do the dragon voice. Thank you.